Hey y'all, hey, and let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all already know I am bringing y'all another hair review, and I'm showing off this box, y'all, because this box is absolutely gorgeous. I like it when companies package their hair in boxes. It just gives me a more professional, more sleek look. But then again, y'all know I love my bags. They're gonna always be bae, but the box is a cute touch. And now I'm just going in and showing you guys this wig, y'all. It is so fire, if I do say so myself. That hairline, I didn't have to pluck or nothing, y'all, but I don't want to get into all that right now. I want to shut up and let y'all see the rest of the way the wig was constructed. Okay? Okay. Okay, so let's get into it, shall we? This hair, y'all, I feel like a real housewife of Atlanta, because y'all know I live in Georgia, but I feel like a real housewife of Atlanta with my hair like this. Like, this is giving me Kenya Moore. Yeah, this is giving me Kenya Moore, because you know she does the kind of middle part with the little curls. So that is what this is giving me. This is giving me a little bit of Kenya Moore. And I did use my plugged in flat irons in order to flat iron my hair, and I used my hot comb to press it out. You guys, this is my, I don't know why my chair making all that noise, y'all, but this is my first time having a wig with an actual band in it, and I must say that this wig feels, I haven't glued it down. Like, let's get that out the way, you guys. This wig is not stuck down or any. Y'all know I have ADHD, but y'all, I'm getting better with making my wigs look natural. Y'all, look, let's take a moment to appreciate this. Come on, let's take a moment. What you doing? Because we're taking a moment to appreciate the fact that I am getting better when it comes down to making my wigs look natural. I'm getting better, you guys. I am getting better. So this wig actually did come with a smell, you guys. It was, I don't know, it was like a little fishy smell. I don't know why this wig came with that smell on it, but I did wash it in this Pantene Pro V Moisture Boost shampoo that I got in my influencer Target box. I'll leave a picture of it somewhere here in the video because it's in a bathroom and I don't feel like going to go get it. But I use that shampoo on this hair because y'all know I do co-wash my units before I put them on my head, but I use that shampoo on this hair and it took the smell right on out. Like, now this wig smell like roses, because before baby smelled just like a fish market and I ain't like that. So this hair did come with a smell to it, but after I washed it and everything, it was a-okay. Smelled like the shampoo, and it is really soft. It was soft when it came out of the packaging, and it kept its softness as far as me after me washing the unit. Now it is a little thin. It is a little thin. Like, I would have wanted the density to be a little thicker, but again, that's just a personal preference because, as y'all have heard me say before in previous videos, I have a Georgia dome, so baby, I need a lot of hair on my head for myself. I need a lot of hair. I need that hair. But it's not a negative, and it's not a bad selling point when it comes to the thickness of this wig, because one of the things that really takes away from that is the fact that this color, look, Like, y'all, look at the color on this. They have highlighted this wig to perfection. This is how the wig comes. The wig comes highlighted like this. So it is to perfection. Like, the way that they mix the colors in is gorgeous, because it's not just a black color. Like, this isn't black. This is actually like a deep chocolate brown with the golden highlights. So it's really cute. And I just, like I said, added the little body curls in there just to give me a little vibe boom and make me feel all fancy. And as you can see, she does hold a curl. She actually holds a really nice tight curl, because I did have flexi rods in her the other day, but I took them out and then I combed. Like, I had to sit for a second and comb those curls out because the curl was holding so well. I didn't have to put any spray or anything on it. And with that head, with that band in here, it makes it so snug. Like, I don't even have the combs put in, it's just the band on there. And as you can see, y'all, she is laying flat. She is laying flat. She is flat, baby. She is flat. Now, look at the sides, y'all. Even when I pull back on the sides, just look at that. That's gorgeous. That's pretty. That is really pretty, y'all. Y'all, lately the wigs that I've been being sent, they're winners. They're winners. This is an Amazon Prime exclusive. The shipping was super fast. It came packaged nicely. Like I said, the only bad thing that I had to say about it is I'm not sure what that fishy smell was that came with the wig, but baby, I ain't like that. I ain't like that fishy smell. Because at first I thought my shampoo wasn't gonna be able to get it out, and we was gonna have issues. But that's the only bad thing about the wig. And if your wig, if you do decide to buy this unit and your wig does come with that fishy smell, all you have to do is just go ahead and wash her with a good shampoo. I use that, like I said, the Pantene Moisture Boost shampoo. I use the moisturizing shampoo, but you can use any kind of shampoo that you want to use. But moisturizing shampoos are just my preference when it comes down to washing my units. But other than that, you guys, I will leave the link down below in the description box if you all are interested in purchasing this unit. Oh, and it was true to length. It did come true to length. Y'all know that's a big issue that I be having with some of these hair companies, is that they send me out wigs and they claim that these wigs are 24 inches, 26 inches, and honey, these be 16-inch wigs. Stop doing that. But it was true to length. Again, I will leave the link for this unit down in the description box below. And you already know, if it gets a video here on my channel, that it is good hair. I only bring you good hair to the YouTube channel. If it's bad hair, it does not make it into a video, period, poo. Okay. So make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to join this tribe. All right, you guys. Peace.